Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Nautique GS24. Brand new boat, just came in. This is going to be a really nicely equipped setup. We're going to have a lot of white on this, and we've got the Admiral Blue metal flake on the side. Really pops, great looking boat, classic colors of white and blue. This is going to be very nicely equipped. We've got the white tower, white hull upper, side, and then white hull. As we come around the back of the boat here, you can see our surf system on the rear, our surf pipe, and our configurable running surface, all signature to Nautique. This is going to be a great multi-sport boat setup. It's a 24 foot, so it's going to be plenty of space for all of your family and friends to get on here. Let's take a look at the inside of this one. All right, so as we take and hop on this boat, starting in the rear, you've got the nice jump seats in the back, sea deck throughout here. We're gonna have the mocha colored sea deck on here, so we're gonna have that on the swim platform right through the walkway here into the boat. This one is also gonna be equipped with the additional ballast to it. So in our rear hatches here, we're gonna have an extra 700 pounds of ballast on this boat. That's gonna give you that great wave for surfing that all you guys that are really up and into surfing are looking for. Deballasted down for novice riders, so it's a great all-around boat for everybody. Pop-up ski pylon on here to make this the multi-sport. So when this boat is up at running speeds for skiing, it's going to throw out a nice minimal wake. Very tight lines can be run with this. A lot of fun. Inside here, you're going to have a nice walk-through. No stepping on the interior as you get onto the boat. That's one of the things that the Nautique is very proud of, is the fact that you don't have to walk across into your cushions to get on and off. And you have nice sea deck placed everywhere that you would typically step to get on and off the boat. Underneath all of your seats, it's also going to be sea decked and finished throughout. We've got the Yeti styled cooler, also comes with the boat. This one's going to be equipped with the enhanced lighting package. We've got one set of 8.8 JL audio speakers on here. This also has the Bimini with surf pockets on it. As always, it's going to be equipped with the Link Pan Array screen here. This also has the heat and windshield defrost as well. So a lot of fun features to this boat. Upgraded stereo system. Tons of interior room. Lots of seating for your whole crew to get out. Give us a call in Rogers, Minnesota to set up an appointment to come check out this Nautique GS24.